Exploring the entire production process of electromagnetic locks. Part 5. The production process of the electromagnetic lock installation head. At Younggo, we continuously innovate to strictly ensure the craftsmanship and quality of electromagnetic locks. We independently designed and manufactured the automated electromagnetic lock head manufacturing equipment. It is realized that one equipment can switch to produce 3 types of installation head with different specifications: A type, B type and C type. Standardized production ensures the quality of the installation heads, precisely controls production data, and effectively improves production efficiency.